All right. So welcome to the fourth session of personal internship. 100 jobs in 100 days is what our mission is with this initiative, and this is the fourth session and fourth week also. So there is a pitch video. This is the link that you can describe. I have described it, but
Yeah.
because Anuradha has joined us specifically for this understanding this, I will try to. I've, I'll just try to explain the pitch to her and to make her understand what it is about right now. So that she understands it. So basically, the whole idea is because companies, the jobs are shrinking, the opportunity is not that good in current times. And I've talked to many students as well as senior professional, I think more than 50 who are in the space of sustainability. And idea is where a senior professional who already has a job hires a personal intern, so that they can either, if they can hire them on for their work, that is well and good. But the idea we are sharing is if they have any personal project, personal research work on sustainability that they are doing, or they have some personal branding thing in LinkedIn or something like that they want to do, so they can hire them. And the whole objective, the pitch explains of the benefit to the 10-year old will be that they can fulfill their passion and they can prepare for their next role, and the inspiration, they can become an inspiration leader and so on and so forth. So this is kind of a primary idea behind it. I have already have two session recorded. I can send you the link later, where we explain and break down what kind of task that can be assigned to them, what would be the remuneration, how the intern can give the data back to it. So that's pretty much what is the whole idea is about. Okay. And today what we were trying, today's session was basically one of our intern who is Padma Priya. She was trying to she was sending this message to 200 people and trying to see how many responded. Last I know, she got a response from 3 people. And how and In the previous session also, I've explained how easily they can connect to this professional and explain them the idea. And because I've already created the pitch to explain them, it will be very straightforward to the student, and student don't have to do the efforts. The only effort they have to do is to go through the 3 sessions and to understand if there is any challenge to it. Do you understand, Anuradha, what is the crux of the program is?
Yeah, I can understand. Once, yeah, from first I need to see that two more
Pitch.
sessions and it will,
Yeah.
yeah, it will
Yeah.
be clear. Yeah, I can, but I can manage. I can go through.
Right. So the a few of the challenges that we had, like the idea has been appreciated by most of the professional, but we haven't cracked the first internship yet. So whole idea is to professional have never thought something like this, like hiring on a personal level somebody for 3 months for some kind of a project. That could be one of the challenges. But in those sessions, there all those things have been explained. So let me. Uh, like it could be a good recap because I can quickly go through it. So for example, we have talked about early adopters and which kind of people will be the right candidate for this, and what kind of work and how it can be divided also has been explained. So for example, a work assignment for a week could be some mini reports where you send to your professional some kind of a daily update, and on a weekly basic there can be a call and so on and so forth. So all those things have been explained in much detail in other, but just wanted to bring it up how the messages are. And today also I wanted to share this particular thing. So I spoke to few of the experts and talked to them how much are they spend for finding jobs. So even though if you don't want to become a personal intern, but if you want to hire a job, so I thought this information could be useful for the interns as well. So Ganesh here actually have not spent a single time. He basically got a job via alumni referral. Rachel, who is a sustainability fellow, she used to spend 5 to 6 hours. And there was a person who didn't wanted to share the name. That person spent 5 to 8 hours per week to find a particular job. And one person actually, the company approached her because she was an ESG consultant, and Shruti took 10 hours. So just wanted to share all this information. And every week we, based on the question that I get over the week or the challenges, I try to find solution to that and bring up those ideas in front of students so that they can, that can be overcome. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it because you are new. So if you have any questions, you can ask, or I think today's session will be the shortest one among the three.
Yeah, you can continue. I can go with the flow.
Right, definitely. And Anuradha, just to put this on the record, I use the same method that I'm explaining, the search method also, which I'm explaining in the previous. I use the same method in order for you to come and join this call. Okay, so to connect to people,
Yeah.
that method is working, is an evident for you. And just to share you with the numbers, in the last video, when you see, you will be able to recall. I actually send this session message to 100 of either uh, uh, a graduate or someone to them, and ask them to send it to 5 people. And out of which 35 people replied to me last week, but they didn't join last week. And what I did was I sent the recording to 35 people. So that was my second attempt to the 35 people, and out of which you are the person who joined. So at least you are kind of a proof for me currently that connecting via this method, we can connect, and uh, we can at least make people to listen to the idea at least. So that is what the whole initiative is about.
Yeah, actually, it is good. So I appreciate this because before the pandemic itself, there were challenges to find job. So
Right,
people may take more than 3 months or 5 months to get a job.
right.
So that too, when it comes for freshers, yeah, this idea is good. So they will get some idea how they need to search job or
Right. So this
because
is,
yeah.
yeah, that's the whole idea. Basically, we are disrupting, or we are basically creating a new whole economical world, because we are not asking for companies to give us the job, because they are already not giving the job. But the people who are already hired and who are 10 years plus experience, which means their package is already uh, uh, at a certain level. So they can easily hire a personal intern on a monthly stipend, or at least a minimum money. I've never talked about the actual money, but I've given a calculation. It should be, the monthly income should be 0.1% of their annual salary of that professional. And you can do the calculation yourself, and whatever it is, and that money becomes easier for them because they can easily pay. And the advantage is that you work directly with someone senior in the field. So the knowledge will be, the knowledge you get with this internship could be maximum. So we have to see how it pans out, but I think it breaks through because there will be at least millions of professional who have 10 years plus years of experience. And so there, at least there are opportunity in this space. And at least if individually, if they connect with 100 to 500 such professional, that's what my understanding is currently with my many experiments that I'm running. So they will at least have a shot of 1 or 2 people with whom they are able to get the monthly internship. And even at one point, even if there is a trust issues, how to overcome that also in the videos I've explained. And even you can break your value, how you can break it into smaller piece also I've explained. So yeah, I think that's it, Anuradha. This was a good recap for me as well, and thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
All right then. So if
Yeah.
you have any questions for me, you can definitely in all the email. You can basically email me so that I can send you the link for it, or or if you what I will do is I'll just quickly share my email ID on the chat so that you
Yeah.
can, yeah, you can just
So I already have your mail. So Shankara has
go.
forwarded me the mail which you have sent him.
Sure.
So
So yeah.
with
So
that
you
link only I joined. So I already have the previous
got it.
video
Got it.
link and everything. So I'll just go through it and then I'll get back to you. So by
Perfect.
probably by weekend.
No, no
I'll
issues. Take your time, and the next session will be 6 p.m. next week itself. So, however, how many students wants to join, they can join if and they have any particular question or there any challenges or they are not able to understand the concept. I would be
yeah.
more than happy to explain any
Yeah,
particular.
sure, sure. Good
Okay.
initiative. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.